Some people try to avoid getting arrested by being violent towards cops. However, some take a shot at flirting their way out of a difficult situation.
You want to tase me?
No.
Do it.
Stay in the blue box.
I like it, kinky.
Stay in the blue box.
Watch these DUI suspects as they put on a show while getting arrested.
Sweetie pie.
Yeah.
Look at you, Landon. Hi, Landon. Here come Gemini. Look at you. You so damn handsome.
Thank you.
I would do him in a way that he won't accept.
While driving around a special needs patient, you have got to be alert, vigilant, and most importantly, sober. But 48-year-old Kelly Barton did the exact opposite in Ohio on the 11th of May 2023. She was drunk and slammed into a street lamp. Cops immediately arrived at the scene, and this is where things went wrong.
Okay, where is the driver? Is the driver back there? I'm gonna open your back door just so you know, okay? Oh, hello there. What's her name?
Kelly.
Kelly?
Yes.
How are you doing?
Good.
Kelly, would you be able to, do you have a driver's license with you?
Want the number?
Yeah, if you know it, that'd be great. Kelly, did you have anything to drink tonight?
Yeah.
How much?
Above my limit.
Okay. Were you driving?
No.
How'd you get here?
Because I didn't never leave.
Okay, so you drove out here or what happened?
When confronted by the cops, Kelly showed stubbornness by not wanting to get out of the back seat of the car. But the cops were very persuasive. Reading the situation, she openly started to flirt with the officers, and let's just see how that went.
Come on, Kelly. You gotta work with me. Sweetheart, you gotta work with me.
Sweetie pie.
Yeah.
Let me go.
No.
I ain't done nothing.
Kelly, I need you to get out of the car for me.
He's got to take him home.
And I'm going home too.
You gotta get out of the car. Kelly, I'm not letting you lay back down, so please.
Don't go there with me.
Come on, Kelly. Step out with me, okay?
Come on out.
You gotta come on out, Kelly, okay? I've been super nice, I've been super reasonable with you, but I need you to come out, okay? I need you to get out of this car so that you can take this gentleman home.
Okay.
Okay? Just be careful, just be careful.
Y'all leave me alone.
Because she was involved in an accident, paramedics arrived on the scene, and she was asked to take the sobriety test. But guess what? Kelly's flirting knew no bounds, as she then moved on from the cops to the medical team, becoming more and more promiscuous.
Look at you, handsome. Let them do what they gotta do. Come on, boys. Hey. I want the little young boy. Ask me how I'm feeling. Let the little young boy
Dude, she doesn't want you, man.
Who don't want me? Who don't want me?
I want you, you're good.
You ain't gotta want me.
Even while she was receiving first aid, Kelly continued to try to seduce the medical staff. She appeared to develop some kind of a crush on a young paramedic named Lander. Watch as these two interact in what can only be seen as the most hilarious interaction.
Here come Gemini. Look at you. You so damn handsome.
Thank you.
Landers.
That's the last name.
Yo ain't ready for me tonight.
Man, I don't think so either. Can I put a Band-Aid on you?
Look at you, Landers. Hi, Landers.
What's up?
After the first responders left, Kelly started searching for her next victim, and she did not have to look very far as she moved on to another officer in blue. Listen closely to the inappropriate comments she made about the officer and his eyebrows.
Look at him. I would do him in a way that he won't accept. Hey, look. He can look tough all he wants, right? Don't let me get it. And you got eyelashes like my son.
The officers were now growing impatient, and Kelly was finally made to take the sobriety test, which came as everyone expected.
Next thing we're gonna do is a one-leg stand, okay? So you're gonna have your feet together, arms to your side, all right? I'm gonna let you pick a foot, left or right. What you're gonna do is you're gonna take it, you're gonna point your toe forward, and you're gonna keep it about 6 inches off the ground, okay? You're gonna look at your toe, you're gonna count out loud. 1 1,000, 2 1,000, so on and so forth until I tell you to stop.
Stop.
You keep going until I tell you to stop, okay?
You know I can't do it. Wait a minute.
Okay, for your safety, we're just gonna stop right there, okay?
And of course, because she failed the test, Kelly Barton was arrested by officers of the Blue Ash Police Department for driving under the influence, but the handcuffs were a little difficult to put on.
I got 2 fingers in this one, just in case.
We put 3 on there.
We put 3 on there to be comfy.
Okay, she's already too resistant.
We don't need any more cuffs.
Just listen to him and everything will go fine, okay?
What are y'all taking me in for? What did I do?
Kelly, you gotta get in the car. Because you were under arrest.
Why? For what? For
Sounds good.
what I
Okay.
did?
You are now under the arrest for operating a vehicle under the influence of alcohol, drug, or the combination of them. Operating a vehicle under the influence.
Y'all can check me. I don't care if y'all are male, bro.
We
Come on.
not gonna do that.
Why not? If I give you authorization to, come on.
In the following dramatic encounter, a stripper whose name is unknown and who works at a gentleman's club called Dancers was pulled over by cops under suspicion of driving under the influence on the 11th of November 2022 in Castleberry, Florida. Is the officer's suspicion correct? Let's find out.
I was,
You
and
were?
I admit to it. I'm sorry.
Okay. What time did you get off at Dancers?
11.
11?
It's an hour and a half away.
You got off at 11?
I was supposed to get off at 11, but no, I live in Lake Mary, so
Where's Dancers at?
Cocoa Beach. You can search a car if you want to.
I mean, just looking.
No, it's okay.
I thought maybe you had a puppy back there or something.
No, I have a daughter. I have a puppy too. That's one to see down.
She seemed pretty confident while lying to the officers about not drinking that night, but the officers' intuition still led them to put her through the usual sobriety tests. Have a look at how well she does on these tests.
1001, 1002, 1003, 12, 1013, 1014, 1000. Bro, come on. 1015, 1016, 1020, 1021. Bro, come on. This is ridiculous. Come on. Really?
Now that she was handcuffed, her menacing brain went to work and started conjuring ideas to try to get out of trouble. One of which was, of course, flirting her way out. She then shamelessly started seducing the officers by making suggestive comments and vulgar actions. Take a look at this girl's guts.
Y'all can check me. I don't care if y'all are male, bro.
We
Come on.
got plenty of female officers around. To do that.
I'm good, bro. Check me. I don't care. I'm giving authorization to this, so y'all can check me. Yes, I want to get my own office. Also, check me, please.
We're just gonna call.
But because you're a male, you can't search me.
We're not gonna search you.
Why not? I give you authorization too. I like men. Come on, just search me.
Her flirting continued throughout the confrontation, and she kept on finding newer ways and cheesier lines to say to the officers, which honestly I think were way over line. See what she said next.
Maybe a jacket or something.
You don't have a jacket. I don't have a jacket. So.
Wow, that just sounds very romantic. Bro, y'all can't search me. I just want to go already.
I'm not gonna do that.
Why not? If I give you authorization to, come on. I'm a paralegal right now, and I'm going to school for law. And y'all shit up right now.
An officer comes over and makes her talk on the phone, during which, once again, we have at our hands another weeping maiden. Oh, that almost makes me want to pity her. Not.
No, this is why. You know we got right to clean up. Babe, no. No. Not it, babe. I don't want Lacey to hide me right now. Please, I told the guy that my money is in the back passenger seat in Orlando. I need all that money to come to you.
You wanna tase me?
No.
Do it.
Stay in the blue box.
I like it kinky. Don't.
Stay in the blue box. Step back.
You can touch
Step
me.
back.
You touch me.
Stuck in a bashed car in the middle of nowhere, 20-year-old Grace Spoonamore was catered to by a friendly neighborhood cop. Dramatically, it was revealed that the young woman was driving under the influence, and this revelation was enough for her to be apprehended. And this was the point where things went downhill.
Stop. Don't get out. I'm asking you questions. You answer.
Okay, and I will answer. Why'd you get on me like that?
All right, step out.
A white
Step out.
female.
Put your hands behind your back. Why did you take off like that?
I'm sorry.
Were you drinking or something?
No,
Where are you coming from?
brotherly. Can you stop pulling me like that?
Nope.
During the interrogation, Grace spat on an officer who was taking her statement. The officers had had enough of her and decided that they were not going to give her a chance to take the sobriety test and just take her straight up to the station. Upon realizing this, she violently started throwing a fit and yelled at the officers like this.
Did she just spit on you? All right, she's going down. We're not going to test her. Hold on, Grace. We'll be with
I'm
you.
not with you, bro. Let me go.
Nope.
In a shocking turn of events, Grace told the cops about her dire encounter with men in blue. Hence, she was unwilling to cooperate at all. Her explanation for it was the woeful interaction in the past. in which Grace was wrongfully charged and was left traumatized to act this way.
No, I don't believe you.
What do you want?
I don't believe you.
For what?
I don't believe you at all.
For what?
Because I've been abducted and cut up and left on the streets for these b******. I don't believe you because you wasn't there to help me when I was needed.
Okay, but I'm telling you.
No, I don't care.
Was that in Georgia?
No, it was in Cleveland.
Well, we're not in Cleveland right
I
now.
don't give a I don't trust you.
In an unfortunate turn of events, none of this was working in her favor. Frustrated, she attempted to influence the on-duty police officers by resorting to the age-old technique of sweet talking, or rather, attempting to seduce officers. Her strategy involved using a sweetened, high-pitched voice and making inappropriate comments in the hope of swaying their disposition.
What is your name? Stay in the
Grace.
car. Stay in the car.
Okay, I understand.
Get in the car. Get your
okay.
leg in the car.
Listen, handsome man.
Get your leg in the car. Get your foot in the car. Just stop. What is your name?
Grace.
Grace what?
GRACESPOONAM.
N-A-M?
NAM.
All right.
As a monkey.
Okay.
O-R-E.
O-R-E?
Yeah.
I'm going to get your driver's license out of your purse, okay?
You can do that.
All right. Put your foot in the car.
Do I have to?
Yes. Put your foot in the car.
Why you gotta be so demanding? Why?
Later, in a slip of the tongue, the drunk wannabe damsel in distress unknowingly admitted to drinking and driving, which obviously made her case even worse. Any person in their right mind would have stopped there, but not Grace. She had other plans, only this time she decided to dial the flirting up a notch.
I think you're drinking and driving right now.
Definitely, because who can stand a regular without drinking? You can't sell d without selling it before it comes.
What do you mean?
You understand that?
No.
No?
No.
You gotta make it hard.
Okay. Did you just move here from Georgia?
Yes.
Okay. How long you been up in Cleveland?
Like maybe a year.
Why'd you move up here?
Because I didn't know it was a snow and it's cold. I don't like talking to you between these bars. Can I talk to you in person?
You are talking to me in person.
No, I'm not. I'm talking to you between bars.
Back at the police station, out of her desperation, she made one last solid try at seducing the officer, and then threw a tantrum again. However, while she was at it, the frivolous woman noticed a stain on her pants. Turns out that she urinated herself in the cop car while being escorted to the station. Talk about a really messy situation.
You want to taste me?
No.
Do it.
Stay in the blue box.
I like it kinky.
Stay in the blue box, Grace.
Don't.
Stay in the blue box. Step back.
You can touch me.
Step back.
You touch me.
Just stay in that blue box.
No!
Yes.
You don't want me here!
She
No! I don't need she
everywhere.
I
Yes, all in the back seat of my car.
I'm saying
I understand
I'm
what you're
confessing to your piss test.
Right, I understand.
All right, stop laughing because you're making me laugh.
I'm not.
All right, seriously.
I'm giggling. I'm
All right,
sorry.
this is a serious deal. This way.
Out of my cheek. The freaking hair in my cheek. It's yeah.
If someone ever needs a masterclass in mannerisms, they should contact Brooke Teague of Arkansas. Cause boy, she sure knows how to behave well, especially when she is stopped over by police officers. The only problem is that I am not sure whether she is genuinely like this, or was just acting because she was drunk as a skunk. Have a look at Miss Goody Two-Shoes over here.
Hello.
Hello.
Hey, I'm Officer Smith.
Nice
Hey.
to meet you, Mr. Smith.
Hey, so I'm just stopping you for improper lane use.
Sorry, I was on the phone. My baby daddy. I'll show it to you too. Yeah.
Zachary.
Yeah. You can talk to him if you want.
How much do you have to drink tonight?
Only one drink.
Just one drink.
Yep. Yes,
Final
sir.
answer.
Miller.
A Miller Lite.
Yes. I won't lie to you. A Miller Lite.
That's all you've had.
Yes, sir. You can ask Zachary.
Don't really want to talk to
I know
Zachary.
you don't, but I'm just saying.
Okay. Do you have your driver's license?
Yes, sir. Here's these two. My insurance.
When asked how many drinks she had had, Brooke replied with only one. The officers were way too experienced and did not buy her story. They escorted her out of her car to take a sobriety test. During the test, Brooke tried to seduce the cop by flirting with him, and the officer's reaction was honestly unexpected.
All right, stop laughing because you're making me laugh.
I'm not.
All right, seriously.
I'm giggling. I'm
All right,
sorry.
this is a serious deal.
You're smiling. I can't help it.
All right, stop.
Okay. Sorry.
Even after arriving at the police station, Brooke did not give up and continuously tried to lure the cop. She started acting all fun and bubbly and asked the officer to do her a personal favor, which was somewhat intimate.
All right.
Can you my hair?
Where do you want it? Like This way?
Out of my cheek.
You can't put anything in your mouth.
Can
Okay?
you take it out completely? The freaking hair in my cheek. Yeah, that'll be fine.
When nothing seemed to be working, the woman started showing interest in the cop's personal life. She started asking him questions about himself in an attempt to relate to him and seducing him into letting her go. Watch what she asked the cop as a part of her flirty ruse.
That's my dog.
Is that your dog? What's his name?
His name's Coach.
I have 3 dogs. I have a Rottweiler, Great Dane, and protect me. Did I go to high school with you?
I don't think so. Where'd you go to high school?
Bentonville?
Yeah, not me.
Where'd you go?
Indiana.
Where's Indiana?
Valparaiso.
I was raised from Bloomfield.
Really?
Yeah.
The drama was all over the place, but the cop on the other hand was quite smart and was not willing to be enticed by her charms. This is how he diverted the conversation.
I want to kiss him. This guy.
Oh my gosh. Canine officer.
The dog.
Alright. I'm gonna read you some stuff.
Okay.
First, you have to listen.
And what is the one go-to thing that people resort to when nothing is going their way? Yup, you guessed it, crying. And that is exactly what Brooke started doing. Have a look at her dramatic performance.
Are you okay? Breathe, because I can't give you your inhaler until later. Have you ever used one of these before? Have you ever used one of these before? Or like a PBT or anything? Alright, hey, we need to slow it down, okay? Just relax. Don't put yourself into some kind of... Alright, hey Brooke, in 3 minutes and 30 seconds, I'm gonna have you stand up. You ready?
Eventually, all the paperwork was done, and Brooke underwent the breathalyzer test, where she stood at a staggering 14%. She definitely had more than one drink, that's for sure.
Alright, big deep breath in, blow really hard, keep going, keep going, keep going, keep going, keep going. Perfect. Alright.
You're good. I'll wait till you tell me.
Alright, put this on here, bang on the door whenever you're done.
Thank you so much.
Yep.
Well folks, that's a wrap on suspects trying to seduce cops. Comment down below the suspect that you found most interesting. And don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel for more of this intriguing content. See you guys next time. Adios!